Hi there, Zamman from NerdTube, and I'm feeding my babies. Oh, sorry, darling. My babies here some sushi, Temaki to be more precise. I thought to myself as I'm eating this, and they're all over my blood clot. But yeah, I'll let you watch me. That is, feed them out of my mouth like a mama bird. Yeah. Now I wish I had another hand right now. Oh god, because I'm trying to eat my temaki here. Mm. I have to probably upload this to TikTok as well. TikTok loves my birds. I love this girl so much. He's so sweet. He, on the other hand, he's a bit of a bully. I actually named him the right name for a bully. That's why he's called Brutus. He bullies sweet little Juicy all the time. Don't you, Brutus? You big fat boy. That's why Juicy's on my hand. If I both had them both on my right shoulder, they'll be fighting each other over my mouth scraps. And I could put Juicy here. And then I'll go like this. Oh, and then she just goes on this side. Because this temaki is fantastic, huh? One of them is prawn, one of them is cucumber and avocado, the other one is tuna. The one I just ate, but it comes in a set of 4, was the salmon and avocado. You get 4 for like 12 quid, so it's like £3 of temaki, which is really good value for money considering like the prawn one on its own is like worth 5-6 quid. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Alright guys, got to end the video, almost to 3 minutes now. Thank you very much for watching, have a nice day, see you later, bye bye.